Residents of the exclusive guard-gated community of Crystal Cove enjoy amenities including a pool, spa, gym, tennis and sports courts, a playground and clubhouse. This residence is a jewel box, a gem, a rare offering not suited for everyone, but for the most discerning buyer who demands quality, craftsmanship and premium upgrades throughout. An elegant foyer directs guests into the formal living room. The charming formal dining room is drenched in sunlight. Beautiful custom built-in bookcases and a stately stone fireplace create an exceptional ambience in this open family room. The gourmet kitchen includes numerous upgrades and amenities, including high-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, full backsplash and a large centre island. A sunny breakfast nook is an added bonus. A wine closet contributes to charm and function. A generous office is enhanced by extensive built-in shelving. An elevator is conveniently located. The library is centrally located for everyday use. The stunning master bedroom features custom silk window treatments, crown moulding, a walk-in closet with custom built-ins, and a balcony with gorgeous ocean and Catalina Island views. The lavish master bath offers marble floors, his and her sinks, marble countertops and vanity, large tub, and separate shower. Secondary bedrooms are perfect for family and guests. On hot days, step outside to this refreshing saltwater pool and spa. Gorgeous imported French limestone covers the patios, walkways and pool area. The professionally landscaped grounds offer a resort lifestyle of casual elegance and indoor-outdoor living at its best. Please contact the agent for further information on this spectacular property.